Honorable Kun Laracha, Deputy Secretary General of BOI, Kun Pitan, President of Thailand Prince Circuit Association, distinguished guests, esteemed partners from the Thailand PCA, members of the media, and ladies and gentlemen. I am truly honored to welcome you again to the exciting launch of the second edition of the Thailand Electronic Circuit Asia 2025, which was supposed to be the BOI, supported by the BOI and organized by the Thailand Prince Circuit Association in collaboration with the Hong Kong Prince Circuit Association. This event stands as a beacon of opportunity and innovations of our industry, showcasing the immense potential that lies ahead. In a time of rapid technological advancement and globalization, the need for a diversified, strong regional supply chain for global PCB and substrate-related products cannot be underestimated. For this, we witnessed the tremendous investments into Southeast Asia in the past 2 years, particularly to Thailand. The electronic industry is the most important driving force for innovation, and it is imperative that we come together to leverage our collective expertise and resources. The Thailand Electronic Circuit Asia 2025 serves as a vital platform for industry leaders, innovators, stakeholders to unite, exchange knowledge, forge partnerships, and explore the new horizons. With the integrations of AI developments into electronic circuits and related substrate applications, the evolutions of EV and autonomous driving systems, the talented and capable robot developers, the diverse applications of drones and UAS, etc., that our industry is in the brink of a transformation era where intelligent technologies are reshaping and landscaped of mobility and connectivity only. Thailand's strategic positions it as a key player in the Asia electronic landscape, with its PCB supply chain started much earlier than the other South Asia countries. Cutting-edge manufacturing capabilities, skilled workforce, and supportive government policies, Thailand sets the standard as a regional leader in our sectors. By showcasing the latest technologies and innovations at the Thailand Electronic Circuit Asia, reinforce Thailand's important role as a gateway for business development to enter the dynamic Asian markets. At the heart of our mission is the notions of strengthening regional supply